In this movie, we will talk about the power of the VIS technology on the RTC 360. First, what does VIS stand for? It is an acronym for Visual Inertia System. To understand VIS, let's explore what it does and how it helps during the scanning process. The VIS component computes and delivers a delta pose between two setups in real time. The system is comprised of an IMU and 5 cameras. The fusion between these sensors is very important because this minimizes the inherent drift in position that is common with IMU-only systems. Essentially, the cameras give the IMU eyes to produce a much more accurate station-to-station position. This, in turn, enables a very easy in-field registration during data collection. So now let's illustrate the VIS in action in conjunction with Cyclone Field. We will launch the app, and the first thing we need to do is connect to the scanner's Wi-Fi. Pull down the Wi-Fi menu on your tablet, go to Connections, tap on Wi-Fi, and once the scanner has fully booted up, the scanner's serial number will show up in the list. Click on it and it will connect. Now that we're connected, we can go back to Cyclone Field and create a job. Tap where we can name our custom job. In this case, I will call it VIS Movie 1. Just minimize the keyboard and then tap Save. To enter the job, just pick on our job and we will enter the scanning screen. To launch a scan, tap on the left button that looks like a target. As you can see, the display looks identical to what's on the side of the scanner. In this case, we'll use a medium resolution with the camera with the VIS turned on. Once the scan and image has completed, it will send the data over to the tablet. This happens in about 7 seconds. As you can see, the data has now been transferred to the tablet, which we can go ahead and inspect. Now we will go ahead and move the scanner. This is when the VIS cameras will automatically turn on and track to our next station. Once we're at our next station, we'll go ahead and start our second scan. Once the scan and image is completed, it will be transferred to the tablet. Because of the benefits of VIS, it has placed the scan exactly in the scene where it belongs. Now, on the tablet, we can create a link and register these two scans together. By pushing the link button, we'll tap on each scan and start the alignment. This view looks exactly like visual alignment. I will pull them just a bit apart to make the point. You can see the two scans click together. We'll create the link, and now these two scans are registered. Furthermore, now that these two scans are registered, the transformation information is also sent back to the scanner from the tablet. So therefore, the only thing you need to download is the USB stick in the scanner. A logical question would be what happens to the VIS links if you shut the system down, say for a break. That would mean the position prior to the break is not connected to the one after the break. So I have shut down the system to simulate this, and I have started a new scan. As you saw, it was medium resolution with the camera with VIS on. Once this scan is finished, it will be transferred to the tablet. However, it will be on top of the first scan that we collected. Tap on the scan and we can move it out of the way. We can rotate it and pan into position just like you would with a visual registration. With this scan in its rough location, we can create the link now, and the tablet will finish the registration. We can create it and we'll see the bundle actually snap together. Create this link and we have finished this registration. Now that we have registered this scan onto the other two, the positional information is sent back to the scanner, so when it is imported into the registration software, it is already finished. Also, from this point forward until the scanner is shut down again, VIS will be active again and scans will come into the tablet in the correct location. I have moved the scanner again and we'll start another scan. Identical to the other 3 scans, it will be brought over to the tablet when finished. Since VIS has been re-established, the new position will come into the bundle where it should be. Go ahead and create the link by pushing the 2 scans and optimizing the bundle. It will click together and create the link. And now we have registered our 4th scan onto our bundle. Furthermore, we can go ahead and look at the scans in 3D as well as a 360 view. And here we can pan around and look at the data to be sure that we have collected all the information that we want before we head back to the office. And the nice thing is we make sure we have all the right collected information and it is registered in the field.